Hey y'all, how's it going? I got myself a new toy. It's a Onewind Tarp Sleeve, or Snakeskin, whatever you want to call it. What you see here is my Gold Armour tarp set up on my Tensa hammock stand. I love the stand. I can go camping anywhere. Don't need trees. A lot of places don't allow trees here. A lot of places don't have trees out here on the West Coast. This has the tarp extension, so I can have my tarp up over my head. And it took me a while to figure out how to get it just right. Now, with this Gold Armour tarp, it works perfectly. It's a 12-foot long. The one thing I don't like about it is it's a pain in the butt to fold up, roll up just right to get back in its stuff sack. So I'm hoping this will make life easier. I've got a snakeskin for my tarp, or my regular hammock. The thing is, the pouch is attached. How about that? In fact, it looks like there's a pouch attached to each end. How exciting is that? Let me figure out how to. There we go. If this works as well as my hammock pouch, it's going to be pretty awesome. I just realized it's inside out. So I guess I gotta straighten it. Sock puppet. I don't know why it's inside out, but it is. Maybe it's just the way I unpacked it from the package. Anyway, I set up my hammock in just a minute or two, and it's got the everything already. It's got the underquilt, and I got a new I believe it's from Onewind, the little storage hammock that hangs off my ridge line, and it all fits into the sleeve. I've been reading where a lot of guys leave their ropes attached, everything attached to the tarp, which is pretty cool. And this might work easier if I had a, there we go, a rope attached. Maybe a pain in the butt without it. We shall see. Come to think of it, maybe I oughta attach a rope across the top, and then I'd have something to do this with if I wanted to. See that I've got a ridge line that you use with your stand. And the hammock has a ridge line, and I know I'll need a ridge line for the well, if I'm using trees, and also I'll need I have a ridge line for my bug screen. There may be too many bug screen or ridge lines, you know it. Should I go ahead and try it without the rope, or make life easier and just add a rope? A rope-a-dope. Let's try it without. So this back up. Man, I love that since I got it working. Climb around here. Let's see if it's as easy as they advertise. Now they make a 2-piece. They're half on each end. You just pull each side together. And I know what would make this easier though. Just around the hammock ridge line. There we go. That'll make life a lot easier. Anyway, most people I saw reading on hammockforums.net preferred the 1-piece because you get a bubble in the middle when you use the 2-piece. And we don't need no stinking bubble. This will take getting used to, obviously. La, 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 la. And this is a big tarp. Looks like there'd be enough room to use the ropes. And part of the problem is I'm leaving all that slack way up there. Let's pull it down. That'll make life easier. There we go. Oh yeah. Look how much easier once I figured out what I was doing a little bit. La, 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 la. So my main fancy camping hammock is in a muck or more that hangs this way, so I'd be facing you when I'm laying in it or sitting in it. But I started using my Warbonnet lately. I bought an underquilt. I've been seeing how well, and went camping up in the mountains recently, and it was actually too dang hot. I had to pull the underquilt to one side. Otherwise, it was a successful test run. So I'll probably start using the Warbonnet more. One thing I love about the muck, besides all the storage that comes with it, is and the attached rain fly or bug screen, is I'm a side sleeper normally, and it's easy to sleep on your side with it. So I love my muck. It doesn't use an underquilt because you have to use a insulated pad. And I've never been cold or gotten too hot. Okay. So this was, for the first time, this was a pain to yank up. There we go. But it's still easier than trying to stuff it in the bag. Got two things here. Bungees, so you can tighten it. And how many here? One on this end. So All I'd have to do is roll it up and I'm done. There's room for the ropes, but that's about it. Wouldn't be room for the bug screen or anything, which I couldn't attach anyway. Yeah, just roll this up and stuff it in the saddlebags when I camp on the motorcycle. Should we see if it's easy to set up? We just hang it on our doodad or trees or whatever, and we just pull it, and we pull it, and we pull it. Okay, it'll take a little practice doing that, obviously. I'm going to guess, once I've done this a time or three, it'll come easier and feel more natural and less of a fight. But at the moment, yeah, it's tight, much tighter than the hammock sleeve. And the reason I got the Onewind sleeve is their tarp is a comparable size to this one. Okay, that was easy. That was easier than trying to unfold it from the bag and the stuff sack and trying to figure which end is which, and twisting and turning, especially if it's windy. So I like it. It's going to take a little practice, but it's a thumbs up. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye!